Assalamu alaikum to dear all students. This is Shaolin Sultana Rimi, assistant teacher of Cosmic School. Now I take video lecture for class 3 religion on chapter 3 Akhlaq. My first topic is good behavior with guests. Our relatives, friends and known person come to visit our house. Those who come to visit our house are our guests and we are their host. At first, we should give salam to the guests who come to our house. Then, we should give them set to sit on. We shall look after them and show them honor. We shall talk to them with smiling face. We shall talk meal together sitting with them. We shall express joy to see them. We shall behave with them nicely. The Prophet ﷺ said, "He who has faith in Almighty Allah and in Akhirat will respect and honor guests." That means good behavior with guests is very important being a Muslim in Islam. The guest becomes pleased if we behave with them nicely. The frame of host encourages. Good relation is made between the host and the guest. And Allah becomes pleased. There, a nice picture we can see where being a good guest, meet and greet, we can greet by salam. Table manners, where we can take meal together with the guest, sharing and caring. With guest, we can share the things and caring with them. There is also another picture. There are some manners are written. We say thank you, we say please, we don't interrupt or stress, we don't argue, we don't force, we listen when folks talk to us, we share our toys and take our turn. Good manners aren't too hard to learn. It's really easy when you find good manners means just being kind. That's all about picture. There are also a story in our textbook which is about the Prophet ﷺ and the Jew. On night, a Jew came to the Prophet ﷺ house. He took care of the Jew and served him food. Jew had taken too much food and his stomach was upset and indigested. He soiled the bed. He was fainted and fled from the house and forgot to take his sword. In the morning, the Prophet ﷺ was see the unclean bed, but he did not angry but felt sad about Jew. The Prophet ﷺ cleaned the bed. When Jew came again to take his sword, Jew came with fear, but he surprised to see the Prophet ﷺ. The Prophet ﷺ was very happy to see the Jew and said him to forgive him because he could not understand the Jew how much suffering. To listening or reading this story, we can understand, we can imagine that the great Prophet ﷺ was very kind and soft-minded man. There are very things we can learn about the manners of the Prophet ﷺ. The next topic is serving human beings. Human being is the best of all creation of Allah. In Islam, we know all men are like brothers. We'll help each other at the time of need. Like we can give money to the poor, we can look after to the sick people, we can give water or food to the thirsty and hungry people, etc. To serve people is a great ibadat of Allah. Our Prophet ﷺ has said, provide food to the hungry, look after the sick, set the prisoner free. That means serving human beings is very important in Islam. Being a Muslim, we should do it because it is one of the most great ibadat of Allah. In the final day of judgment, Allah will ask, are we serve the needed people, or how we serve the needed people? If we serve the needed people in earth, then Allah would be pleased, and if we do not serve the needed people in the earth, then Allah would be displeased. So it's very important that serving human beings in their needed. Our Prophet ﷺ always used to serve all the Muslim and non-Muslim. He used to help and serve his ardent foe too. Here, ardent foe means enemy, which means in the sentence who want to kill the Prophet ﷺ. But the Prophet ﷺ always helped them and served them. Here we see two nice pictures where some people give food and necessary things of food to the poor and needed people. Here we also see two pictures where a little boy give money to the poor little boy, and next one woman give zakat to the poor woman. It's very important in Islam being a Muslim. Here we also see two pictures. Here people look after or caring to the sick or ill people. We have also a story in a textbook about serving human beings. An old woman where a old woman and the Prophet ﷺ story. An old woman always put throne on the way of the Prophet ﷺ. She enjoyed seeing that Prophet ﷺ was thrown at his foot. One day the Prophet ﷺ was very anxious for not seeing throne on the way. After finding the old woman, the Prophet ﷺ saw he was very ill. Then he looked or took care of her before her recovery. At last, the old woman, ashamed of her evil deeds, and she never put throne on the way. It means good behavior or serving human beings can change bad character or bad habit of a man or woman. Today we discussing two topic: good behavior with guests and serving human beings. Now, our homework in home, we can read book page 32, 33, 34, and we can also read in our copy or write book exercise page 39 for E, page 45 B, C, D. See all the answer in lecture sheet. Thank you to all.